Good morning. Is Wednesday, November 22nd, and I got very little knife making done. So yesterday I got the slicer all finished up and beautiful. I did not get a chance to work on any of these. So at the very least today, I would like to get this handle glued on. This is the one I recasted. If I get any chance to work on any of these, that will be extra for me. But at the very least, I want to be able to get this handle glued on and ready, so that way on Friday I can start getting everything to shape. Still have plenty of time shaping, and then leather sayas, and we ordered some leather, so it's going to be a nice complementary tan to it, and so I won't have to dye it, I won't have to tan coat it, and I can just start saya production right off the bat. So that'll be really cool. Other than that, that's my day. Here's Daniel with what he's got going on.
Hey everyone, just to get you caught up with what's going on in my world, I have got that big tuna sword in clamps, but we are going to reclamp it with a dowel method to basically try to get the bends out of it. That's going to be the first part of my day, and then I've got just some knives in some different stages of production that I would like to get going just so I can put some stuff in stock. It's been a while since I was able to do that, so I'm very excited to do that. And then I have a folder here from one of our guys, Ramin. He's got these really cool G10 scales that he just needs a little bit of texture on. He was okay with us experimenting on it, so I'm going to kind of Dremel some texture in on the corners of that knife, so that way it's not so slick and smooth. Other than that, that'll be the majority of my day, as well as whatever else comes in. Yesterday we had a great amount of sharpening right in the beginning of the day, so that was fun. But we are now in our favorite spot with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about some knives, like a selection of Kershaw knives that have their Duralock. So as many of you know, the Benchmade Access Lock lost its patent a couple years ago. So more companies are coming out with a crossbar or stainless steel bar lock. Kershaw's is called the Duralock. So this is the Iridium, brand new knife on the market. Beautiful. It's a dark gray G10, excuse me, aluminum with a bronze or copper orange anodized aluminum backspacer. Deep carry pocket clip. D2, I'd call it a spear point blade with a nice swedge in there. And the action on these is just phenomenal, right? So this nice, slightly higher end than the other guys. This is the Covalent. I love this one. This is my favorite still because it's the only one with a flipper. I've been on companies for years to give me an ambidextrous locking mechanism with a flipper that's manual. So again, with the Covalent, it's a D2 blade. It's their polymer handle with a deep carry pocket clip again. And this one's super deep. It's all the way over. This knife will sit all the way into your pocket. And just love the texture on that one. And then we have the Heist. So this is their black polymer. Again, a D2 blade. Very similar deep carry to that one, if not the same. And again, just all of these have amazing actions. I want to say they're all on ball bearings. I know at least the Iridium absolutely guaranteed is on ball bearings. I can't remember about the other ones. Yep. Yeah. So just a quick look at the Kershaw Duralocks. Love them. Glad we have them in the shop.
Yep. Kershaw's been doing some great things. I love the fact that they send us parts as well so that we can work on the knives. Just a lot of things that they're putting in for the pluses for us as dealers. And the Iridium is one of those knives that you can only get through the dealer. You can't even get it online on Kershaw. So really,
and these are all sub $70 knives.
Boom.
Yes.
So awesome. And if you guys watch any of our other stuff, you know how much I love D2. So great knives by Kershaw. Kudos to them. You guys have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to us however you feel fit, and we will see you on the next one.